listen to VOA, Japanese English listening material site with transcript. Hourly driving in the road traffic law immediate license revocation. The National Police Agency has newly established hourly driving in the road traffic law and has decided to immediately revoke the license without causing an accident. The draft was discussed at the Special Committee on Road Safety Measures of the LDP on the 6th. Aim to revise the law in the ordinary diet next year. It is aiming to eliminate malicious drivers with strict penalties. According to the study plan, it is recommended that the driver be able to carry out the danger of traffic by a certain violation, assuming that the distance between vehicles is excessively shortened or the route is suddenly changed for the purpose of obstructing the traffic of other vehicles. If there is a risk of violating it, a penalty will be established. In the event of a significant traffic hazard, such as stopping other vehicles on a highway including ordinary roads, a more severe penalty will be imposed. FOB penalties are under consideration, but the policy is determined in consideration of the balance with a criminal imprisonment of 2 years or less or a fine of 300,000 yen or less of the assault offenses of the criminal law applied in the current crackdown. As for administrative punishment, the number of violations will be 15 points or more, which will immediately revoke the license. And we want to establish a disqualification period in which the license cannot be reacquired for 1 year or more. The police have so far used the assault charges and other charges for violating the distance between vehicles under the Road Code Act and violent acts against the other party. Violation of duty to maintain inter-vehicle distance in 2018, when crackdowns were strengthened due to increased social interest, reached 13,025, about 1/8 times that of the previous year. Driving, 25 cases, 24 assaults, 4 injuries. There were 12,377 violations of vehicle distance maintenance from January to October this year. However, the penalties for violating the vehicle distance maintenance duty mainly applied are up to 3 years in prison or a fine of up to 50,000 yen in the case of expressways. And the number of violations is only 2 points. There is a voice from the government ruling party calling for legal development and strict punishments, saying that there are limits to the current law that does not assume malicious driving. And the National Police Agency continues to study while referring